Many years ago, I did something that changed the way I learned English. I decided to watch a movie in English without subtitles. Honestly, I expected to understand nothing. But as the movie went on, I realized something surprising. I could understand most of it. Not every word, of course. There were plenty of words that I had never heard before. But I could figure out the meanings from the context. By the end of the movie, I understood 60 to 70% of the story. And that moment was a turning point for me. For the first time, I felt that English was becoming real. It wasn't just grammar rules or vocabulary lists anymore. I was actually using the language to understand something I enjoyed. That experience motivated me more than anything else. I started learning new words every day. I wrote them down, reviewed them, and learned useful expressions whenever I found them. Then I watched another movie and another one. Each time I understood a little more. Every new movie was proof that my effort was working. So if you're learning English, don't wait until you're ready. Start watching. You won't understand everything, and that's okay. Sometimes understanding a little more than yesterday is exactly how progress happens. I'll see you in the next video.